Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Escalade Motorhome Caravan conjures up an image of unmatched luxury and mobile lifestyle by fusing the grandeur of the classic Cadillac Escalade with the limitless potential of a specially designed camper. In this context, the term caravan refers to a fully integrated, custom motorhome that is based on or greatly influenced by the Cadillac Escalade chassis, even if the classic definition could suggest a towable trailer. High-end automobile engineering and the craft of custom recreational vehicle design are expected to converge in this vision. A 2026 Escalade Motorhome Caravan's exterior would probably keep the Escalade's recognizable design language, which includes its imposing grille, aggressive lines, and LED lighting. But it would also include the adjustments required to make an RV completely functioning, such as a longer chassis to make room for a large living space, smooth transition between a specially constructed motorhome body and the Escalade's front fascia, meticulous consideration of aerodynamics to reduce wind resistance and increase fuel economy, awnings that retract and built-in storage spaces that keep a clean appearance, custom lighting, chrome embellishments, and high-end paint jobs all improve the car's visual attractiveness. Cadillac's dedication to elegance and technological innovation is demonstrated by the interior, which includes exotic wood veneers, hand-stitched leather upholstery, and accents of polished metal, furniture and cabinets that are specially made to optimize comfort and usefulness, a cutting-edge entertainment system with integrated navigation, several screens, and high-end music, integration of smart home systems, enabling management of entertainment, climate, and lighting, sophisticated driver support technologies, such as 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assistance, a luxury bathroom with a shower, a cozy sleeping area, and a fully furnished kitchenette, climate control systems to guarantee the best possible comfort in every kind of weather, a high-performance engine, possibly a Cadillac V8 variation or a cutting-edge electric powertrain, would probably power the 2026 Escalade Motorhome Caravan, providing enough power and torque to support the weight and towing capabilities of the vehicle, an experience of driving that is smooth and elegant, a suspension system that can be adjusted to provide a comfortable ride on any type of route. When parked, the vehicle is leveled via air suspension. This fictitious car will fill a niche market by serving affluent clients looking for the utmost in luxury and mobility. Important things to think about are, with a price tag to match, this would be a high-end product. Options for customization would be necessary to satisfy each customer's unique needs. The car would probably be produced in small quantities, which would increase its exclusivity. It would take a specific set of skills to drive and maintain such a vehicle. To sum up, a vision of automotive and recreational vehicle design, the 2026 Escalade Motorhome Caravan combines performance, luxury, and technology to produce a genuinely remarkable mobile living experience.